Hey guys, this is OG Gaming. As you see in the box, we're going to do an opening. This box came from Dell, and I had my system worked on. They replaced the optical drive. It was bad, and they actually put a clip on my graphics card that they actually replaced that too, and the clip was flopping around and their rattling sound. Anyway, I'm gonna get up to this opening here. Just came here, the FedEx guy got here, so let's open this baby up and see what we got going in here. Maybe I should have sharpened this knife before I start recording. It's going pretty simple. So hopefully now I can do some steady gaming. Put it up here. All the styrofoam. Let's see, there's nothing in the box but styrofoam. Of course, got my power cord back. You gotta send this with the PC, and they wrapped it the way they probably left it the way it was. So hopefully the issues are taken care of now. Let's see. Service summary here. Optical drive, replace. Okay. First thing I'm gonna do here. They replaced it. I don't know if you can see that, but right there, they replaced the DVD. I choose a DVD. I know I didn't have to. It would have saved me like 25, 26 bucks. But I wanted it because of the simple fact that there are some games out there that requires some disc still, where I can download, rather than download, play the disc. Now, the reason I'm doing it, there's still rattling sounds in there. It's like, what the fuck? I'm gonna have to open it up again and see what the deal is, man, because it should not even be rattling, for one thing. The shit should be ready to go without the rattling sound. If I want to rattle, I'll go out and get me a baby rattle. So I don't know. We'll see. But anyway, folks, here's my Alienware X51 R3 6th generation. I believe it's fan cool. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna jump into it. I'm gonna set it up. Have the Alien logo there. So once I get it up and running, I'm going to go ahead and do the video, and then I'm going to set up my colors that I like here and take it from there. Alright guys, this is OG Gaming, and I'll catch you in a little bit. Thanks for watching.